Hi everybody, it's Rhonda, and in this video we are going to be working inside of Photopea. Photopea.com is an online image editor similar to Photoshop, okay? And it is 100% free. You do have an option for a premium account if you want it. It is extremely cheap. If you just don't like seeing ads over here on the right side of your screen, because it is ad supported. All right. So we are going to be talking about mock-ups in this video. And I had some questions in my community the other day about what to do when you have a mock-up similar to this one, where there's a hand that's, in front, on the front of the t-shirt that, may interfere with your image design. Like, let me show you real quick what I'm talking about. Let's say you have this design, make sure it's on top here. And when you make it larger, let's rotate that, you see how it is over top. Let me zoom in a little. It's over top of that thumb, okay? And obviously that's not what you want when you are creating mock-ups, okay? So I thought I'd show you an easy way to take care of this issue using Photopea. So I'm going to get rid of, I'm actually just going to turn this off for now. No, let's just get rid of it. Okay, so we have our mock-up here, our blank mock-up, and this thumb is in the way. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to our left-hand panel, and we're going to grab our magnetic lasso tool. All right, it's right here, and you can right click it to get the different options. All right, and I'm selecting the magnetic. Make sure your layer, your background here is selected, and then just come along here and just go right along the edge of this thumb, okay? And you don't need much of it. All right, you just need to get this little piece of the thumb right there. Okay, and then I'm going to go up here to select, and I'm going to have modify, and I'm going to select feather, and I think I'm going to make it about 5 pixels, and I'm just going to select OK. Now what we're going to do is I'm just going to hit Control J on my keyboard. Oops, I made a couple of them there. Got a little carried away, didn't I? And all Control J does is make a copy of what you selected, creates a new layer. So now if I turn off this background, you see there's our thumb, right? So now what happens, you have your layer here, and I'm going to name this thumb, okay? And that should always be on top. So now if you bring in a design, let me drag and drop a design in here. And let's make it larger, and let's rotate it like we normally would. And again, if we stick it in the design here, it's on top of that thumb. But if we grab our thumb layer now over here on the right and just drag that to the top, now you see our design is behind the thumb, exactly how you would want it to be if, to make it look a little bit more realistic. So that's all you do to work with mock-up blanks such as this. If you have a mock-up and it has a thumb or a finger or something that may go over your design and you want to make it look a little more realistic, that's how you do it. Just come in here to Photopea, use your magnetic lasso, make a little copy of that thumb, turn it into another layer, and place it on top. All right. I know this was a really short video, but it's a really simple process. So if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. You can do this in Photoshop, you can do it in Canva, you can do it, in a multitude of different programs. I just typically use Photopea for things like this. So I thought I'd show you how to do it in there. All right, so if you have any questions, again, drop them in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it more than you know, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.